Hey there! Did you know that this range hood can clear kitchen smoke in under a minute while running almost silently? On top of that, it comes with smart gesture control, AI-powered suction adjustment, and seamless cooktop synchronization, giving you a fully modern kitchen experience. Today we are taking a look at the ROBAM R-Max 3 range hood, designed for high-performance cooking and next-level convenience. Right out of the box, the ROBAM R-Max 3 makes a really strong first impression. The packaging is solid and well packaged and protected, and everything feels carefully organized. All the accessories are neatly arranged, and the build quality immediately feels premium. The unit features a clean glass panel design with a modern look that fits seamlessly into most kitchen styles. For the installation part, it actually was very straightforward, no complicated steps. All you need to do is secure the wall bracket with screws and attach the support bolts, and that was pretty much it. The overall structure is very user-friendly, so even if you are not a professional installer, you can get it set up pretty quickly. And for me, due to the space limitations, I didn't install the oil cap this time, but it actually supports up to 1.2 liter of oil collection, which is a really practical feature for long-term use. And to get a better understanding of the internal structure, we also did a quick tear down of the range hood. Inside you can see it uses a high-performance BLDC motor system, and the overall layout is very compact and the build quality feels precise and well crafted. The airflow path is smooth and streamlined without unnecessary complexity, which is one of the key reasons it can deliver such strong suction while keeping noise level low. There's also a thoughtful anti-grease design inside, and key components are well protected, helping reduce grease buildup and making long-term maintenance much easier. Overall, it's clear that this product isn't just well designed on the outside, the internal structure is equally solid, and a lot of products focus only on appearance, but this one really delivers on the inside too, which is definitely a big plus. Now when it comes to performance, this thing is seriously powerful. It delivers up to 1200 CFM of airflow, powered by a high-speed BLDC motor running at 132,000 RPM with 1000 PA of static pressure, and in real-world use, it can clear out an entire kitchen in around 60 seconds, even during heavy cooking like stir-frying, frying, or grilling, which is really impressive to keep the kitchen clear and gives you more energy to cook rather than buying your food. One of the smartest features is the AI-powered suction system. It continuously detects duct resistance, automatically adjusts fan power, and optimizes airflow in real time, so you never need to manually switch settings. In other words, it's not just fixed speed control, it actually adapts based on cooking conditions. The smoke capture system is also really impressive, with a 3.1 square feet coverage area and a slanted intake design that sits closer to the cooktop. In real use, this means less lingering smoke in the kitchen, slower spread, and faster capture compared to traditional range hoods. And one of the features that I really like the most is the gesture control that lets you adjust speed or turn it on and off with a simple wave. Super convenient when your hands are messy or you just don't want to use your hands. And with R-Link cooktop sync, the hood automatically turns on when you start cooking, and after you are done, it keeps running with a delay to clear out any remaining smoke, so you don't even need to touch the panel while cooking. Maintenance is also very low effort. The A++ filter captures up to 98% of grease, nano coating helps resist oil and fingerprints, 1.2 liter oil collection cup, and a non-stick internal design. Overall, it is built to stay clean with minimal effort, even with frequent cooking. My final thoughts about this amazing range hood is that this ROBAM R-Max 3 is definitely a slick, powerful, and intelligent range hood that really upgrades the modern kitchen experience. If you are looking for something that offers strong suction power, low noise performance, smart AI adjustment, and seamless kitchen integration, then this is definitely one worth considering. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, drop them down in the comments section. See you in the next video. Peace.